Welcome! In this video we'll walk you through setting up your Vonahai Pentest mini PC. In the box you'll find the following items: the mini PC, the power cable, and 2 Ethernet cables. This compact device is preloaded with our Vonahai Pentest software. It's designed to be plug and play with minimal setup required. There are 2 Ethernet ports on the back. These allow the device to connect to your network for scanning and reporting. If possible, install the mini PC in your comms cabinet or server room. This ensures it's out of the way and unlikely to be disconnected by mistake. If you have more than one switch, connect each Ethernet port to a different switch. This makes the device less likely to go offline if one switch fails. But if you only have one switch, plug both cables into the same switch. Finally, plug in the power cable and turn the device on. It will automatically start and begin its configuration process. That's it! Your Vonahai Pentest mini PC is now set up and ready to go. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help.